Hello kids. H is for. Let's learn G words. Look carefully and guess the word. It is a bird that can hover. What is this? Hummingbird. Can you say it? Hummingbird. H is for hummingbird. It is a place where we live. What is this? House. Can you say it? House. H is for house. It is a farm animal that gives eggs. What is this? Hen. Can you say it? Hen. H is for hen. It is a place where sick people are treated. What is this? Hospital. Can you say it? Hospital. H is for hospital. It is worn on the head. What is this? Hat. Can you say it? Hat. H is for hat. It is a flying insect. What is this? Housefly. Can you say it? Housefly. H is for housefly. It is sweet and made by bees. What is this? Honey. Can you say it? Honey. H is for honey. It is a part of the body. What is this? Hand. Can you say it? Hand. H is for hand. It is used to carry things. What is this? Handbag. Can you say it? Handbag. H is for handbag. It is a part of the body that pumps blood. What is this? Heart. Can you say it? Heart. H is for heart. It is a shape. What is this? Hexagon. Can you say it? Hexagon. H is for hexagon. It is a fast animal. What is this? Hare. Can you say it? Hare. H is for hare. It is on your head. What is this? Hair. Can you say it? Hair. H is for hair. It is used to cover the head. What is this? Helmet. Can you say it? Helmet. H is for helmet. It is used to hit nails. What is this? Hammer. Can you say it? Hammer. H is for hammer. It is a big animal. What is this? Horse. Can you say it? Horse. H is for horse. It is a wild animal. What is this? Hyena. Can you say it? Hyena. H is for hyena. It is a musical instrument. What is this? Harp. Can you say it? Harp. H is for harp. It flies in the sky and has spinning blades. What is this? Helicopter. Can you say it? Helicopter. H is for helicopter. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter I.